welcome to another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Other people trying to sell you something? I'm just here to find those A winners, go-getters, trend-setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. Today we're talking about an exciting biotech company called Checkpoint Therapeutics. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. So Checkpoint Therapeutics, they're really looking to try to find a breakthrough in cancer therapy. So I'm really interested. They definitely have these novel treatments that hopefully can really benefit cancer patients. So let's take a look at the leadership team. James F. Olivieri is the Chief Executive Officer. I've heard him in a few different interviews. I mean, once again, I'm always looking for companies with leadership, outstanding leadership. And I've heard this guy speak on a few different interviews. Really outstanding leadership so far, what I've heard. If you don't know, he's the one that he was with Carex Biopharmaceutical, helped grow that market capitalization from double, basically 2x, 500 million to over $1 billion during the time that James Oliviero was there. I mean, really key member for that team. So one of the important medication, they have a monoclonal antibody, CK301 cosibelimab, that I'm really interested in. It's supposed to bind and PD-1, and block interaction with programmed cell death protein 1, PD-1. So that's pretty exciting. Basically those PD-L1s are checkpoint immune activators that play an important role in the regulatory T cell function and proliferation. And that's basically the primary mechanism is based on inhibiting and interacting between these PD-1L and the PD-1 receptors. So if they can remove or suppress that PD-L1, that's kind of the anti-tumor cell to restore the cytotoxic T cell response. I mean, that's what you want. You want the T cells to restore to that cytotoxic T cell response. So that's pretty exciting. They have that main medication that's in the pipeline looking to get approved very soon. They could apply for the licensing pretty soon. They basically have had, in January, I want to say early this year, they had positive top-line results, which was great. They met their primary endpoint. The cosibelimab demonstrated to be, its response rate was like 47%. Okay, that's really good. So that's excellent to hear. In June, they also had positive interim results. So that's also incredible to hear. Based on those results, I want to say they are supposed to be submitting their biologic license application to the FDA sometime late this year. Okay. And that could be big potential. So let's take a look at their pipeline. So I talked about this cosibelimab anti-PD-L1 antibody, single agent. They also have another medication in the pipeline, olafetinib, CK101, the third generation EGFR. And this one is oral. Okay, this is oral. Third generation, irreversible kinase inhibitor against selective mutations of. So EGFR is basically epidermal growth factor receptors. There's about probably this is a third generation inhibitor, supposed to be highly selective. So this could be a big potential one. I mean, definitely like to see them pursue this in combination. That's another one that looks interesting to me. They got one in combination with both agents. Now, still early preclinical trials. Let's see. If they get this one approved, they can use a combination one. They have CK101, CK302, CK303. Those are all still early preclinical, not clinical phase trials. Okay. This potentially could be the olafetinib could be effective as a single agent or in combination. So there's still a lot of information here that they need to report on. I'm looking to see if they can get approval, if they're going to submit the license. Let's take a look at the stock price. So stock symbol is CKPT, CKPT Checkpoint Therapeutics. Now, at the time of this video, it is trading $1.27. I do think, some of these companies are going to get hit by this inflation, for the next 4 or 5 months. If the interest rates keep rising, if Jay Powell keeps increasing the interest rates, these companies are going to get hit. But I do think there's potential here. Now, will it fall another 30%? Yeah, it's possible. I mean, I'm looking to get back in the low ones, maybe $1.05, $1.03, $1.02. But if there's any update on that approval or submitting that application, and then the FDA comes back and accepts it, yes, I'm jumping in. I am getting in early. I think there's a lot of opportunity with this company. They have a lot of compelling stuff in the pipeline for potential therapies. So I'm going to continue to monitor this company. Now, that's all the time we have today for this video. I hope you did enjoy it. And if you enjoyed this video and the content I'm creating, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's completely free. It helps grow the channel. I'll continue to monitor this company. And as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.